Has your website seen better days? It's time for a transformation. Your website is the face of your business. And let's be honest, first impressions matter. A sleek, professional design not only looks amazing, but also turns visitors into loyal customers. With our website redesign services, you'll get a site that reflects your brand and drives sales. Imagine a user-friendly, eye-catching website that works tirelessly to convert visitors. Sounds good, right? We make it easy for you. Our team handles everything from design to launch, ensuring your site is unique and functional. And the best part? You don't have to break the bank. Our 1-year commitment lets you split the cost into manageable monthly payments. Invest in a website that works as hard as you do. Ready to boost your sales and stand out online? Let's get started on your website redesign today. Click the link below to learn more. Remember, your business deserves the best. Let's make it happen.